Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the drowsiness detection and monitoring system. Project developed using Python programming language, and Techie module is used for the creating user interface. When you click on the start webcam, then the laptop front camera will open and it will count the total number of yawns and total sleep. So it will increase one by one count, and it will also give the ER and MIR value. Okay, it will count the yawn. It will give the beep sound. Like we have set it the total number of yawns or
You are sleeping, it could be dangerous. I'm alerting your emergency contact regarding this.
sleep. So if they're more than that particular number, then it will send the email message. So you can see that in the email, driver is found sleepy, and it will give the IP address or SIM detail with the location like city, state, country, latitude and longitude. We can also change the email address, like we have to add our own email address, then you have to just click on the add email button. You can also add your email address here, this is the exit button. So this is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.